Where are we taking this bear?
So essentially what we'll be doing is driving to a pretty remote part where there's not a whole lot of houses.
All right, buddy, your new home.
We try to get them out as far away as possible in good bear habitat, and then we will, turn them loose out there, and hopefully he becomes a wild bear again.
He's ready to get out of here, isn't he?
Yeah, I think he's ready to go. Yep, still closed. You never get used to it.
I mean, before we do this, how dangerous is this?
As soon as we open up the door, he's out in the wild. And so we've never had a bear come back and turn on us or anything like that. Nobody's been injured doing this. We're gonna actually climb up on top of the trap. We're gonna tie some lines to the hooks. And once those hooks are up, the door will slightly open and we can push down on those counterbalances, open that door wide open. Up, ready? On three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, bear, get! We're screaming and mad and banging on the trap and all that stuff, and that gives them a negative experience with us, and that's what we want them to take away as they're tearing off into the forest.
Go, bear, go! Go!